This forgotten eagle was left to fade. Now it returns to dominate the sky.
Stay grounded. They just wait for the right hands to let them burn again.
Move to the rear stabilizers, quickly!
That Ghost Gray is actually salvageable. Impressive clarity. Ready for flight.
Cushion in place, check the straps.
Got the drogue gun connected. Clear left side.
Removing the last pins now.
Laser alignment active.
Calibration complete on the right engine.
Readings look good. Structural integrity confirmed. Array secured. Dave, Leo, connect the harnesses now.
Wires in, secured.
Diagnostics are fully green, Maria.
Viper, let's close it up.
Roger that, Hawk. Closing Radome.
Use the 4000s gauge here. We need it flush.
Got it.
Cycling the doors now.
Patch applied, light secure.
Cockpit, run the sequence. Pylon engaged. Check the connection. Hardpoint secure, Maria. All systems green.
Initiate release sequence now.
The wear indicators show significant heat stress right here.
Let's check the temperature gradient across the pads.
We are reaching full power.
Check the hydraulics, Leo! Holding steady, Maria. The chains are secure.
22,000 man-hours. 6 months. One final chance.
Stay grounded. They just wait for the right hands to let them burn again.